Now, let's start assembling our dogs. For the ears, you should attach them to the head, positioning them right between round 17 and round 24. Within this range, you can choose the exact placement based on your preference. Just pick the position you think looks best for your dog. The distance between the two ears should be about 12 stitches apart. You can use a sewing needle or a pin to mark those specific spots. Once your spots are marked, go ahead and grab your ears and your needles, and let's start sewing. Remember to pull it tight. Great job! Our first ear is all sewn on. Now, just repeat the exact same process for the second ear, positioning it 12 stitches away. Next, we'll attach the dog's front legs using the same method we used for the ears. The two front legs should be placed about 2 rounds or 2 rows lower than where the ears are attached. Once the first front leg is attached, go ahead and sew the second front leg onto the opposite side, making sure the placement is perfectly symmetrical. Next, we'll attach the two back legs using the same sewing method. Try your best to position them so they are perfectly level or lined up with the front legs. Once you finish attaching the second back leg using the same method, we'll move on to sewing the tail. The tail can simply be sewn onto the areas we marked for it. Feel free to design the final shape or style of the tail based on your own preference. Sew the tail all the way around to secure it to the body. Once that's done, we can finally move on to embroidering the eyes. For the eyes, we're going to separate our 4-ply yarn into 2 strands. Take one of those strands, thread it onto your tapestry needle, and we can begin embroidering the eyes. We'll start embroidering the eyes about 1 stitch in front of the ears. But remember, you don't have to follow the pattern exactly. Feel free to place them where you like to create a unique design that reflects your own preferences. Once the eyes are embroidered, take a moment to make any final adjustments you need. And there you have it! Your sleeping puppy is complete! You can use this adorable little friend as a comfort toy, or even as a wrist rest when you're working at your desk.